All right, now it's time to draw this kind of fragmented speech together. I have an illustration for you. This is the magic teapot. I'm wearing my pig tie. For those of you that know me, it's appropriate. Each of these represents allspice. First we have happiness. Some people think happiness is enough, but they soon find out that's not the case. So then they try success. Still unsatisfactory. Money. Money's good. More money's better. That's still not what I'm looking for. Fame. That's it. Fame. Ooh, that didn't help much at all, did it? Popularity. It's got to be popularity. I want to be popular. Oh, this is getting worse, not better. Wisdom. Wisdom. No, still no. Well, what's left is love. Okay, first let's try a little eros. That didn't help. How about filial? No. That just looks ugly, don't you think? Well, fortunately, God has a plan. Let's put this in the teapot. God's plan is fruit of the Spirit. You know them all. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, humility, self-control, faithfulness, goodness, all of the crescent wrench characteristics. Let's try putting some fruit of the Spirit in here. You don't need a drop for each fruit because it's all the same fruit. That's the way God works. So we take a life which was ugly and dirty. We add the fruit of the Spirit from God. And what do we get? We get the life that God has for you. God can give you a new life. That's up to you. All you need to do is let go and let God.